Zachary Sean Taylor.
All right, calling case number 240-567-0801. People City, Michigan versus Zachary Taylor. Appearances, please.
Jennifer Douglas for the people, 272748.
Philip Reagan on behalf of Mr. Taylor, waiting for him ready to stand. He's been advised of his rights, Judge.
Court will enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Taylor. Argument is the bond.
Your Honor, on Mr. Taylor, the people would be asked. I'm sorry, did you say something? Oh, no. Okay. Your Honor, on Mr. Taylor, the people would be asking for whatever bond is set for there to be a tether for Mr. Taylor. Here we have an assaultive set of allegations. The police indicate in their report that they did in fact see red marks on different areas of the complaining witness's neck. I see an APA note that the complaining witness told the APA that she had trouble breathing and is afraid that Mr. Taylor is going to in fact assault her again, Your Honor, and it's for that reason that we are asking for a tether and no contact on whatever bond is being set.
Mr. Reagan?
So Mr. Taylor says, Ms. Taylor, you got to pay some more bills in the house. She says, no, I don't. She says, you're going to get out. Yeah. Yes. I'm trying to hear you, Judge.
No. Question. Does Mr. Taylor have an alternative place to stay?
Sure he does. He's going to stay with his mother. He gave me the address. But I just wanted to tell the story, Judge, but I don't have to.
I don't want to. Today is not story time with Magistrate Burton.
There we go. Okay. That's fine.
Okay.
Yes, he does, Judge. Says she's not telling the truth about any of this. Okay.
I'm pretty sure the truth will come out at some point in time, but today is not story time with Magistrate Burton, okay?
Okay.
I appreciate your efforts, Mr. Reagan. Ms. Douglas, just a question. Has there been a history of domestic violence or allegations between these two parties before?
Your Honor, as far as I can tell, there's a note that
yes or no question.
I'm sorry, did Mr. Reagan say something?
No, I just said, go ahead, Ms. Douglas. I said, go ahead, Ms. Douglas.
Oh.
He must have cross-examined you.
I was just trying to say that I see in the APA note the complaining witness says that there is. When I looked, I was unable to find any case that went through.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Having heard argument as to bond, the court's going to give Mr. Taylor a $50,000 personal bond with the following conditions. While his case is pending, he's to have no contact with the complaining witness, Ms. Staley. No contact means just that. No phone calls, text messages, emails, handwritten letters or notes through social media through a third party. While his case is pending, he's not to possess any handguns, firearms, or other dangerous weapons. To be fitted with a GPS tether. 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew. He's not allowed to the Rutland address. The juice. That's it. Oh my God. And give me one moment for the dates.
How did I gotta tell them? Can I say something?
No.
So, Judge, before you put a tether on, I'd like to tell you what happened.
It's not story time. Just articulate to me why I should not put a tether on him. There's been some serious allegations. Hold on, let me speak, and then you can respond.
I was trying to. Okay.
You're
told me to tell you something.
With your lips moving? Okay, Mr. Reagan, this is my concern. Address this. We got a serious allegation of a 10-year felonious assault charge here. They live at the same address. You indicated to the court that he has an alternative place to stay. And given that he's a habitual fourth and none of the priors are assaultive, I still have concerns about the complaining witness's safety. And I think the best way to address that is with a GPS tether, 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew, so it doesn't interfere with any of his work schedule. Just to make sure he stays away, and he's a man of his word to stay away from the house. Now you can address my concern, Mr. Reagan.
Judge, my concern is that none of these incidents or alleged incidents actually happened, Your Honor. But what I can say is that Ms. Douglas said, there have been no reports, as she can see, of any domestic violence charges or anything of that nature whatsoever. Although there's something in the CCH that says, oh yeah, something happened. I'm telling you, Judge, few red marks. He doesn't want to have contact with her. There's no history of violence.
Well, if he doesn't want to get contacted, Mr. Reagan, if there's no history, there should be no issue. $50,000.
But he's going to have to wait a week for a tether, Your Honor. He's going to have to wait a week for a tether. He's going to sit there over the weekend, all in half of next week, and wait for a tether when he can just have no contact with her. That's all. That was
Mr. Reagan. Mr. Reagan, he is habitual fourth, although the prior convictions were not assaultive of a nature. Your office is a very, very good advocate, zealous advocate for your client, and you have more than once filed an emergency bond to remove the tether. I don't doubt you do the same. Court dates, probable cause, April 19th, preliminary examination, April 24th, in front of Judge King. Have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
What time? Man, I got a case against her. She hit me with a hammer.
Just to clarify, I didn't say that there were no complaints. I said there was no case that went through. There was a case in 2021. She didn't show up for court. I said there's no case that went through.
Okay, next case. I got it.
I apologize, Judge.